If there was one message I'd like to repeat from my first two YouTube videos about Irish spelling and Irish pronunciation, in spite of how many passionate rants I gave about what I think is wrong about how Irish is taught, I'd actually like to say something nice. And it's something I didn't say enough, which is, if you come across a source that has good native Irish speech, if you come across a source that's trying to correct you, if you come across a source that is highlighting how different your pronunciation could be, what I'd like to say is there's absolutely no need to be offended. Okay? Mistakes are absolutely normal when learning a language. It's a process. Everybody, even native speakers, pick up mistakes and they learn as they go along the more that you get exposed, right? Pronunciation, yes, happens to be the area that's most vulnerable to picking up mistakes, but there's no need to be offended. And if you're given an opportunity because you found a source that wants to correct you, or that has Irish that's very, very different to yours, that's great. You've been given an opportunity to improve your speech and to improve your language. And it just means if you go through that process, you'll come out the other end with 10 times better Irish. And I think that's brilliant.